All right, so if you make YouTube Shorts, you need to see this. Go to YouTube Studio on your computer. You cannot do this on your phone yet. Click Content, click Shorts, and tap the pencil icon on any short. That takes you to your video details page. There's one crazy new feature creators have wanted for years, and YouTube finally gave it to us: custom thumbnails. You can now upload a real thumbnail to your YouTube Shorts, and if you don't have one, select a frame straight from your video or hit Get Suggestions, and YouTube will analyze your thumbnail style, and after an unbelievably long amount of time, it will spit out some options for you. Maybe yours will look better than mine, but it is an option. You have to understand why this is such a big deal, because the old way was annoying. You had to add your thumbnail to the end of your video and it could only last one frame, and then you would go into YouTube Studio and then select that frame, and then after you selected it, you would go into editor and then delete the frame, but the thumbnail that you chose would stay.
Stop it. Get some help.
But we still did it because if you look at our videos, we've noticed our shorts with custom thumbnails tend to perform the best. Actually, let's go to our YouTube analytics. We'll go to content, we'll click shorts, and then we'll look at our top shorts from the last 28 days. And as you can see, every single one of them has a custom thumbnail. That we had to do the hacky version of uploading this in the past, but now we can just upload these directly to YouTube and not have to go through all of the extra work. And the reality is, all of these shorts are at the top because thumbnails are what gets your short clicked. When people scroll the shorts feed, like they're in that continuous, never-ending cycle of shorts and they're just swiping up with their thumb, they'll never see your thumbnail. So it actually doesn't matter. But once again, when you look at our YouTube analytics, we can see that most of our views actually don't come from there. They come from other traffic sources like search, where when search results come up, your shorts alongside the thumbnail shows. Now viewers actually have to decide which short they click. And when your short has a beautiful, immaculate thumbnail compared to all the other options, your video is the one they choose. And it's not just YouTube where people can see this thumbnail. It's also on Google search results or on other platforms. In an upcoming video, I'll show you exactly how to make amazing custom thumbnails that get results like ours. So make sure you're subscribed. Here's another YouTube news update, and until next time, I love you guys and keep creating.